Hi everyone, it's Cindy, and I'm a huge fan of subscription services because not only are they super convenient, I also love the feeling of opening up a little gift every month. And so my newest obsession has been Billie razors, and they are the subscription razor brand that also offers a lot of other products such as a body wash, a shaving gel, a lotion, or makeup wipes. So basically, other than hair care and skincare products, they have your nightly routine covered. And what I really love about them is that if you're anything like me, when you're looking to buy a new product, you're looking for good quality at a good price and hopefully made by a good brand. And Billie is kind of the perfect intersection of all three. So let's start with their main product, which is their razor, and I got mine in this beautiful light blue color. And what I really love about their razor is that it comes with 5 precision sharpened blades that are surrounded by this charcoal soap. So every time you're shaving, your skin also kind of gets this deep clean. I thought I'd do a little unboxing of the other products I got from Billie, and this is what you see when you open the box. I also got their shaving cream, which is with aloe vera, shea butter, and sage. Everything's vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, making it a really clean product. So when I open the bag, what I get is a box that contains my razor and a little pamphlet of information about the brand and also about how to replace your blade and attach your holder, all the things. And then I also get a magnetic holder, which is one of my favorite parts of this whole package because razors always seem to take up space in my shower, and so this magnetic holder allows me to just place it right on my shower wall. It's this little triangle and it's magnetic, so I just have to put my razor up to it and it holds it on my wall for me. Now, what's really cool about Billie is that not only do they create great products, they also are doing a lot to give back to their community. And so they donate 1% of their revenues to help support really important causes and to support women. They also are really against the pink tax, which is essentially the fact that women get charged more for a product, specifically razors, just because they're marketed towards women. And Billie is really against that, which is why their products are only $9 for that entire starter kit, which includes their handle, 2 blades, and their magnetic holder. I'm gonna leave a link for you guys to go check out now so that you can go see if Billie can be your new go-to razor.